Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jyoti, and who is this?
I'm Shruti. This is Shruti. Shrut.
Yours,
हाँ
Bola.
बेटा.
I'm good. I'm
Yeah.
good. Listen, you have to now focus full, full mind, attention, everything,
Why so? What is happening?
because we are concluding our journey in Tadipar today, and
Oh my God.
MC
Finally, the day
Stan,
has come. Wow.
and uh, and apparently it's the most complex track of the album.
The
So
moment
as
you
if
said, my heart is going duk duk right
yeah,
now.
as if the earlier ones weren't complex enough. This one is going to be another level of jigsaw puzzling, whatever.
Hey, don't build
You
curiosity
can,
and all. Come on, let's get started. I
uh,
want to walk like
it's a
right
long one.
now.
It's almost 8 minutes. And
I ready.
after Amin, we are both fans now. And
Yes.
let's see how Tadipar concludes the story. Aakhirkar Jakar Hua Main Tadipar. That's what the blurb says.
Okay.
All the rest of the credits are the same. Artist, lyrics, and music. MC Stan. Let's do this.
Cool.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play. Flute.
तड़ी पार हाथ पे वार निकला चार देख पुलिस का मार सूरज ने दिखता सिर्फ चार दीवार हो गया ना पार में तड़ी पार हाथ पे वार निकला चार देख पुलिस का मार सूरज ने दिखता सिर्फ चार दीवार हो गया ना पार में तड़ी पार हाथ पे वार निकला चार देख पुलिस का मार सूरज ने दिखता सिर्फ चार दीवार हो गया ना पार में तड़ी पार हाथ पे वार निकला चार देख पुलिस का मार सूरज ने दिखता सिर्फ चार दीवार हो गया ना पार में ओके मैं पुणे से बॉम्बे को शिफ्ट हुआ लिफ्ट हुआ खुद के लिए नहीं किया कभी दुआ बस हुआ बदुआ नहीं लिया मैंने कभी किसी के माँ की बात में मैं सब बोलता बात मेरी बाकी पत्थर पे से उड़ी दाल आ गई लिखा की वाला नहीं शॉट देके पब्लिक अपनी भागी पन हुआ एक शॉट में हो गया कॉट व्हाट डॉट राजगुरु चौक में डीवी वाले रुके ले मतलब भाई लोग रुके ले चौक में भूख में सिगरेट की वजह से खत्म हो रहा स्टैमिना लड़की बोले स्टैमिना लैक ऑफ स्टैमिना मैन फर्स्ट पे नहीं करता नहीं कुछ कर नहीं स्मूच सामने से आता मैं करता नहीं खुद किसको बन पूछ केस नंबर 2 देख मेरा क्रू देख मेरा शट कमर में हक से पाल कर रखो कोई था मेरा प्रूफ
फिर क्या बोलता डूड मेरे को सीवी तो होता पुलिस से कैसे बचने गई तो पीछे वो चाह रहे
पुलिस से कैसे बचूं मैं कैसे हंसूं बॉम्बे में रहकर मैं पुणे के केस में कैसे बसूं कोटा बसूं बापाची जीन्स घालून तुला नसू लंडावर तुला बसून एंड तक रहेगा ससून गेम करा पार आखिरकार चाकर हुआ मैं तड़ी पार
मेरे को जाने का बाहर
तो चार देख पुलिस का मार दिखता से चार दीवार पार में तड़ी पार हाथ पे वार निकला चार देख पुलिस का मार दिखता से चार दीवार पार में तड़ी पार हाथ पे वार निकला चार देख पुलिस का मार दिखता से चार दीवार पार में तड़ी पार हाथ पे वार निकला चार देख पुलिस का मार सूरज ने दिखता से चार दीवार तड़ी पार
Say hi motherfuckers. Hey, who did this shit?
तू कष्ट कर मी बष्ट करतो नष्ट करतो झाटू जास्त करते जे तू करतो मागणं करतो मला कळतं मतलब मेरे को पहले वाइब्स आते खाने में बैड वाइब्स खाते छाटे के फाटे मेरे तक पहुंच नहीं पाते मैटर के टाइम पे भाग के जाते तेरे गले में चैन मेरी जिंदगी में चैन मैं बेचने का फेम 25 को फेम मेरी अम्मी को एक पेन नहीं होने वाला कभी मैं चैन लेकिन पैसा नहीं मैं तेरे जैसा नहीं बोला इंडिया में पैसा नहीं ऐसा नहीं वैसा नहीं मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ लड़की पे लड़की की गलती नशी प्लेइंग हपा सेटिस्फाई कर उसको अच्छे से सुन मेरी बात नहीं करेगी कभी वो छोड़ने की बात तो जेंडर सिर्फ दुनिया में छोटी सी बात तेरी बहन मेरे साथ दूसरे की बहन तेरे साथ मेरी बात की बात 10 फैक्ट्स
हेलो माम सुनना वो रैपर नहीं क्या असिस्टेंट मेरे साइड में रुके ला के ले कैसे रोल करा किधर है तू अभी केबी लेन नंबर 6 में पीने बैठी लेने क्या आपले बच्चे लोग ऐसे आप नहीं दिया पुणे आइला छीना लगा बॉम्बे रहता हूँ देने वाली बात रही उतने में 2 फैंस आए मेरे पास बोले
किधर है माम दिखते शिमाम खाने में लेट आ रहे किधर को माशारे चलो ना एक जॉइंट बोलने को 9 पॉइंट हो गई शाम क्या कर लेना पैसा होगा शार्प मम्मी बुला रही मेरे को ईडी की लेके बोला आओ क्या माम बाहर जा रहा थोड़ा मेरे को अर्जेंट में काम में लेने लगा क्या उसमें से एक शायद एमवी का फैन या फिर अपोजिट गैंग फक मैंने आज पहने ला वैन समझ नहीं आ रहा था फैंस थे या दुश्मन नाम पूछा तो क्या भी ले रहे लेने का यशवन बिशवन पीले दिख रहे तुम लोग ब्रो मिलता तुमको बाद में एक डालने के सब में एक बोला बैठ बाइक पे भीन शो तेरी माँ की चुत में मेरा
Are you serious?
पीछे से 3-4 आवाज ऐड हो गए माम पे ब्लर हो गया मेरी आंखों के सामने उनको लगा मैं चल दिया एक जन मेरे को देख के सिगरेट पी रहा गाँव फुल नाई की रिबॉक के एडी की लेके मैं नीचे गिरा दिख रहा मेरे को आसमान खून बिन आउट बीच आम आउट बॉडी मेरी साथ छोड़ रही सांस बंद आँख बंद में देख सकता फरिश्ते करीब से अजीब थे नसीब से सुबह उठा मैं कोमा से मेरे माँ बाप रोमीज दिख रहे मेरे को जीने पे यकीन नहीं होता मेरे को खुद पर अलग सबने मेरे को देखेला डालते टाइम सबने मेरे को देखेला भागते टाइम सीसीटीवी कॉट राइड मेरी देखेली विजन ने देखा पैसे दे के पैसा लेता तेरे आइटम ने मुझे देखा वो तूने नहीं देखा तूने सिर्फ खुन्नस में देखा अकेला दिखा तो देने की सोचेगा सोचना भी मर टिकटॉक की कसम है बैक फॉर योर हेल्थ नको बाबा वापिस एरोड़ा जेल हो गया बेल बजाया बेल मैं दिखा दूर हो रहा बदरी में सोरा साउथ सोरा याद रखो रे किसको किसके लिए कभी नहीं छोड़ा तेको घर तेको छोड़ा आई बाप के लिए मैंने सब कुछ छोड़ा शीर और मवेस दिन नहीं जा रहे दोस्त मेरे सामने से जा रहे लेकिन शीनल के मिल के नहीं जा रहे जैसे मेरी मर्डर होता देख न चारे आईना का शौक डाला आईना दिखा रहे तुम्हारे बिचारे थे सारे बिचारे लोग मारे छोड़ डाले बचे खाने घर पे जा रहे लोग कमा हुआ प्ले पात्रा ज्ञान मध्ये तुझा वर्ड प्ले आम्ही सगळे झोपले कशाला झोपले साइड को हो बटले इतना ज्ञान नहीं तेरे बस में मेरा टेंशन तू किधर से मत ले क्या रे एफएस के चश्मे हवा करा जोड़े वीडियो पहन के तेरा बाप गिरेला चौक में पी के ही वाज लाइक ठीक है ब्रो मैं बोला तू चीप है ब्रो इसलिए आज तक तेरी मेरी बीफ है ब्रो मैं गोट तू बकरी की शीट है ब्रो शाकरी शीट है ब्रो तेरे जैसा कंडे में नहीं दे नो हाउस को बोलूं मैं ठीक से लो ना हो नो मोर तू बोल तू छोड़ बोल अंदर जमा मेरे शुगर शेयर करो काम मेरा खुल जा ऊपर में जैसे पन अल्लाह का शुक्र बोले मेरे को तू कर हालात से गुजर बाप को शुगर तू एसी में कूलर तू अमीर में गरीब में तक तू शरीफ तू बस्ती में बिल्डिंग में पीस मर गए जितने मेरे होमीज रेस्ट इन पीस 6 नंबर गली में मिस्री खीस माउशी पीस से पीस पुणे से पीस एटलीस्ट शो मी योर टेस्ट कैमरा घुमा जरा इधर जेडिस के बालों का क्लिप घूम जरा पीछे मत कर ट्रिप बीच यू क्रिप प्लीज डोंट फ्लिप हो मेरे साइड से ईस्ट साइड से बोले तो भाई लोग सब बड़े बड़े भाई लोग अपने भाई लोग लेकिन ये शटर मटर जिधर मेरे उधर मारे डायलॉग ग्रो तो किसको बस साइन हो पुगरी के बात है सपना इधर दिसो तो बोलना मैं चाहता नहीं राइडूंगी मेरे पे गले तक आता नहीं नाम ढकले मेरे पे बता मैं पाता नहीं गुनेगार का भाचा नहीं पॉलिटिक्स में चाचा नहीं हराम का खाता नहीं हज को तू चाहता नहीं 10 बार मुंह तेरा देखना मैं चाहता नहीं किस माय एस अगर निकलेगा फास्ट फास्ट वीड इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो जरा फास्ट एक बचेली लास्ट इंडिया में रहता तो पूछ मत क्या विश्वासघात मेरे साथ बहुत बार हो गया पर अभी मैं खुद से प्यार करूँ है मेरे को फैमिली उनसे मैं प्यार करूँ वार पे नहीं कहीं पर पब्लिक दैट्स माय क्लिप नड़ा तो ब्लेड के वार करूँ 4 बार करूँ 4 बार करूँ ये डोरे घर में बैठ के इनके मुंह पे छूते दिखते टेक नो एडवाइस हम लोग लाइफ से सीखते मेरी लाइफ को देख के लाइफ के बीच में घर दार बेच के फिर वाइफ को बेचते ऐसे कैसे लाइफ को देख से आके मेरे साइड को बैठते फर्स्ट टाइम मुंह को देखते दिख नहीं सकता और माँ बाप को रोते टाइम रैप बुक घूम गई मेरे पास बहुत तेरा घर से निकलते टाइम घर वाले डरते बोलते के झगड़े कुछ के लफड़े में कभी नहीं लटके ले रन 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 लिव दैट एनीवे हाई योर फेस हाई योर नंबर प्लेट पीछे से पुलिस है गाड़ी पे नंबर देख मैनेज भाग तू खोल में यारा भूल में पारा दिन के से आगे ले बेटा बाप के आंख पे जा रहा आया मत फुल खुद ना you know what the तेरे घर में बंधना पहन के तो अगला मैं तेरे स्ट्रीट मैं बस इतना चाहता होगी जब तेरे को फोन कर उस पे घर में मात्र
Jojo,
I just
I can't.
it's okay.
This is his real life. He's been through this. I mean, okay, firstly, this is like, you know, जैसे हम सबका दिमाग होता है उसके अंदर 5-6 चीजें एक साथ चलती हैं. वी ओवरथिंक, वी थिंक अबाउट एवरीथिंग. उसने एक म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाया है जिसमें उसने अपनी 5-6 अलग अलग जो दुनियाएं चल रही हैं सबको ऐसा मिक्स किया है. द बैलेंस इज परफेक्ट एंड येट एट द सेम टाइम इट जस्ट लाइक I have no words. there are many parts which one can discuss. You know, one can like
Mm.
divide up and just talk about first the video, then just the lyrics, the music. Oh my god, the music!
Mm.
Like right from the flute to the little bit, like it was a very kutty kind of a sound, which is a little bit of a hole right in the start with the flute, and then how as his story is going, how progressive trance it became, and then suddenly electronica came in, then it went back to this with the whole fusion vibe. Kya ho raha tha yaar gaane mein? I don't think I've ever seen a better track. Like I just haven't. I am absorbing it right now, and I'm just going to shut up now. Like ah.
I'm just, yeah. Okay, so we will we will talk about the music, and we will talk about the lyrics, and then we will talk about the video. So the music is, we've seen, honestly, I was not surprised by the number of changes and switches, and
Yeah.
the number of times he played with the music and did, the beat drops and then it changes, and the way the flute plays throughout the video but in different ways, and then he even has, in the video, he has the flute in someone's hand at some point.
Yeah.
um,
Yeah.
um, it is just his mixing is just, I have not seen ever before. I mean, I think we've established this. We're just going to be repeating ourselves. But yes, what he's done is everything he's done in all the earlier songs of the album. He has now taken all that and said, "मैं इससे भी uh, sort of next level last track में अपनी पूरी like musician वाली भड़ास
Badass.
निकाल." And he's
My
done
God.
that. And he's done that because you can see how many different musical influences he's had. Yeah, because he's not sticking to the preconceived sort of notions of
Anyone.
the genre. There's absolutely no like, yes, I've grown up listening to the greats and I've taken my inspiration from such and such people who are legends. But I'm gonna do my own thing, and that is where a real artist sort of, who's gonna take the game to a different place comes in.
Yeah.
Is take everything you've learned from the masters and then use that
Make
knowledge
your
and
own.
that make your own, because you've got to add your own soul to your music and not just sound like you've been inspired by someone. The inspiration is evident, yes, but anyway. So I get why people call him a legend in the making and things like that, because if he continues this way and
I've
keeps,
never seen a better track. I've honestly never seen a better track in hip hop. I'm just like,
hmm,
wow, wow. The kind of things he did, the kind of, you know, one side is the bars, one side is the way he's spitting, one side is the way he's switching,
hmm,
transitioning between things. But to
hmm.
be able to put all of it together and the thought and the multi layers, it's just,
That's what
it's
it's,
wow.
yeah, the blueprint is all here. That's why I think nobody can mix his tracks but him. And that's why he must have been like, when I
Yeah.
don't know his earlier work, other than this album, but maybe he's worked with other musicians in the past, and he's maybe felt at some point ki, yaar, what I have here is not translating exactly. I'm going to have to learn this.
Execution.
I'm going to have to
Exactly.
acquire this skill
Yeah.
myself, how to
Yeah.
become a programmer and, a producer and master my tracks myself, because otherwise,
People aren't getting it.
what will I
कोई और
do?
कर नहीं
It'll all
पाता
say here, it
है.
won't come. Yeah. So it's very like, it's, you see artists who mix their own tracks. You see artists who also do the music and compose and sing and write the lyrics and all that. But you
Yeah.
don't see this kind of complexity, at least like not yet, that he's got. So I mean, we can just go on and we'll keep repeating
Let's talk
ourselves.
about the video.
But
Yeah, let's
yeah,
talk about the video now.
the
Um,
starting में the slow shots, I think the aerial shots, and then when
huh.
his vocals start, that that multi sort of,
Yeah, he's
I
like
I
appearing. Huh.
love that start. Just loved it. And he started with the hook, which again,
Huh.
he writes his hooks, man. His hooks are so freaking.
They're crazy. They're absolutely crazy. मतलब तड़ीपार के अंदर basically he's सब कुछ बता दिया, and end में तड़ीपार is coming back home because they show that he's coming back to Pune, right? And
So he's walking out of Koregaon police station, which means he's been let out. He's back and now he's
yeah,
walking.
yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
No, I also thought that he went to Bombay, right? And then all those issues happened and everything,
although
and now
then
he's
he,
come back to OD.
yeah, they said he got bail, na, in the middle.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, full honesty, like towards the end, I kind of lost the lyrics a bit. So I was like, maybe when we're reacting, I'll pull up the lyrics and all because I was just, my mind was just, I was just thinking of
Too
things
much
that
was
I'd
going on.
already
Yeah.
seen. And I was like, oh my God, what the hell was this? And what the hell happened? Like, it was too much to absorb, both musically also, and then visually in
Yeah.
the video also, and then feeling the emotional impact of his story also and what he's telling us about what happened to him.
So there's another thing he did in this video.
Mm.
He never usually repeats any scenes, but in this video there were certain images which, and it was every time directed differently, suiting the mood of what was being spoken, and there was repetition.
Mm.
You know, to drive home the fact of what he's talking and how the situation has changed, and how literally, if I had to look at it, you know how all those films are, their source code type films where there's one situation in the center and you're looking at it from different points of view.
Mm.
So over here, I literally felt like there were that every time that repeat was happening, it's
Mm.
like he's expressing the same thing, but he is expressing it from different views, different POVs. And the moment he's doing that, the entire meaning changes. And
Yeah.
which is what is why I felt that there are like 4, 5, 6 different layers going on in his head, and he's approaching each layer, describing it, all of it coming down to similar video, clippings, which he's again and again showing, which was interesting. He's not done that in his previous videos. Oh, interesting.
Yeah. Yeah. I think he's used every kind of every desire to sort of show different points of views also, and to call out the different people who he's encountered through the journey of this album and the story.
Yeah.
And then
Dude,
the little
yeah,
skit
right.
the skit in the middle of the video. So I don't know if that is going to be part of the audio of the song, where
Hmm.
the fans coming up to him and then all that bit happening and then him landing up in hospital, or maybe it is, and I'm overthinking it. But
No, but I've
yeah,
heard about that. I've heard about their beef going to a personal level where fans have attacked him. I've heard about this.
I did not hear
So
about this. I didn't know.
yeah, I've like, yeah, I've heard about this, that there was a entire thing, and I'm not going to take names. Everyone knows what names and whose fans came and kind of attacked him. And gang wars kind of thing starts, which for hip hop artists, why take it to that level जहाँ पे आप actually मतलब इतना क्या gangsta बन रहे हो कि literally gang fight हो रही है.
That's
I
just the
don't get it.
dumbest
I
thing
don't
I've
know.
heard. Really, I didn't know this has happened.
Yeah.
How dumb. I mean, it's music at the end of the day, guys. And I know that rap and hip hop, it started in the West where all this shit is real, but it doesn't, that side of life doesn't need to translate onto the streets here. Like, seriously, it's just music. At the end of the day, let people create what they want to create, and you follow who you want to follow. What? What?
I
He got
so
attacked
wish
by
I
fans?
I
That's
so
so.
wish that I so wish that this was more like, one of those metaphors one uses, one takes it too far, and that how if you have a rivalry with somebody and you just show it as ke, at what max level will you take it? And you just kind of show it as a metaphor in a song ke, अरे उस level तक पहुंच गए. Unfortunately for him, or so I've heard, and I hope, I mean, I don't know if the information I'm getting is wrong, please correct me on that. But that this literally happened. So most people do take it metaphorically. इसकी life में उल्टा चल रहा है. इसकी life में metaphor realities में हो रहे हैं. So it's very like
Mm,
what?
yeah,
Yeah.
he's lived it, and I mean, I can't believe it. I
So
really
young.
can't.
Yeah.
I haven't, luckily, like, no one tagged me in those kind of spoilers, but I didn't know that this
No,
had
I
actually
got like a
happened.
detailed written thing about it. Now yeah, talking
Mm.
about it, I was just like, okay, on this life.
So that's just wrong, man. I mean, seriously, you're gonna take your macho-ness onto like the streets and what? Just because your music rivals? Oh my God, I don't get it. It's very dumb.
I don't get it. It
It's
also
just
makes you feel that maybe there's something more than what meets the eye. Maybe we don't know the full story, which is completely possible.
yeah,
That,
but
but
nothing
nothing,
justifies
exactly, nothing can lead it to violence.
absolutely
And to
nothing.
this degree
Yeah,
of
that
violence.
someone lands up in hospital and almost dead. Like, come on, give me a break. What is this? Please go and take your extra energy out on, like, I don't know, the basketball court or something. So just dumb. Anyway, so I was like surprised at the point he ended it on. He said कि married to the streets मैं बस इतना चाहता हूँ कि जब देखो फोन करूँ स्पीकर पे मत रख. That was his.
Hmm.
That was how he
Yeah,
ended
yeah,
it.
that's what he said. Yeah, yeah.
So I don't get it. I don't get it. Like what happened there?
Who's he telling that to? Yeah, speaker
स्पीकर
पे
पे
मत
मत
रख.
रख.
हाँ.
मतलब ये भी पजल हो गया.
किसी
Like
को किसी को कह रहा है या जनरली मेटाफोरिकली बात कर रहा है कि लाइक
keep things private.
माय लाइफ इज प्राइवेट. हाँ वही.
Hmm.
बट आई
Okay.
डोंट नो. हाँ बट
Dude, honestly, like a lot
वो
of
तो बता ही देगा.
yeah, but a lot of the end bit, like the last 30 seconds or so, I was not listening very closely because I was just I'd gone into the processing zone. I think
Yeah,
after
yeah,
after the
yeah.
7th minute. So I'm gonna have to watch it a few more times and
But to me, it didn't seem like an end. Did it seem like an end to you? To me, it
no,
seemed
that's
like walking out now, going into another chapter, or maybe that's what he
no,
meant.
so that's
Yeah,
what he's saying now that now this story is over. Now I'm walking out a free man,
you're listening.
and now I'm gonna do other things with my life and with my art. And
Yeah.
let's start this new chapter now. So, which is what I was thinking when I was sitting and thinking about his entire album that we watched now. I was like, okay, so
Hmm.
this is now see, I don't know his exact age, but say he's 25 or he's what he said, no, 25 to fame
I
dekha or
thought,
something.
he did.
So around 25, he must be 26, 27
Yeah.
maybe. Looks much younger.
Yeah.
But say now Taripar has been that journey till this age, till
Yeah.
now. Now what he does next is is gonna be something that I'm very curious to know because now the story is told. There's no more telling the story of where he came from
Correct.
and how his family is
Correct.
the
Correct.
journey with his family, the journey with his friends, the journey with the case, the gang wars, whatever.
Just so right. Yes.
Now I want to see what he creates and what he's thinking about. Like, what are his thoughts now that are gonna come into
Correct.
his art and into his music? So,
Correct.
because you know what, I'm not, and even in the comments and like discussions with people, I noticed that they're saying that oh, a lot of artists now start writing about the same thing over and over. अब सुन
Yeah.
लिया हमने तुम्हारी जर्नी के बारे में, अब सुन लिया कि तुम यहाँ से आए
उसके
हो
आगे
और
तो
ये
बढ़ो.
देखा,
हाँ.
उसके आगे बढ़ो, अब वही सुनाई दे रहा है हर एक गाने में. So I'm not saying he's gonna do that, but I now want to know after telling the story and telling it so freaking amazingly and unique in such a freaking unique way, what he's gonna create next. Like, what are we expecting from MC Stan next? Is he?
Right.
You can't. I mean, you can't even say because he surprised you so much through this entire album in terms of the sound of the tracks, the music of the tracks, the mixing, in terms of the lyrics and how he's played around with what and his ad libbing and his
Everything.
switches, his and his most unique thing is of course the main thing of the album is the telling of the story. So now is he gonna do songs like that are lighter? And if they are, then how are they gonna sound? Because you just don't know what to expect from it.
Come on.
It's making me very, very
MC Stan and
excited.
light थोड़ा match नहीं होता.
I don't know, maybe. So he surprises us, no, all the time. So maybe he will surprise us with that also. That's what I'm saying. Like this album is his story so far, and a very particular story of his life. I'm not saying it's every story from his life. I'm sure there are many more, experiences he's had. But like we've said before that an artist will always write from life experience. So a lot of
Right.
artists, what they do, and like Ed Sheeran is one of them. I think even Kendrick is one of them. When they're not putting out music, they completely disappear. They
Yeah.
completely disappear. They go quiet, and it could be for a year or two even. And
Daniel
I've
Day-Lewis as an actor does that.
does that
उसको पता ही नहीं
exactly.
लगता है कहाँ पे है.
He doesn't want to be seen. He doesn't want to be talked about.
Yeah.
He doesn't want, so, and what they do, and Ed Sheeran has said this in one of his interviews I was watching. He's like, I write from what I've experienced, whatever emotions I've felt. So that comes in my songs. And then when that juice has dried up, I'm just like, I need more life
I go and
experiences. So
experience.
I go and
Nice.
he's like, for 2 years, I'll disappear because now I need to travel the world. I need to meet more people. I need to have different conversations. I need to learn more things. I need to fall in love or fall down in love, or like I need to
Experience life.
experience
Yeah.
those events and then see what I'm feeling on the inside and then write those things. So
Correct.
anyway, coming back, I think Stan will write about other experiences too, but let's see what kind and what sound. And this album is just I'm what to say now. Mind is blown. And yes, we will not get everything when we watch a song. So if we missed something in this review or this discussion, you can just comment below. And I love reading those comments because then I'm like, yes, totally didn't get this. And that's exactly what we're here for, to exchange,
Correct.
what we think we know and what you know, and then we're all of that. So, Shruti, any last
We're also here
words
for experience.
on this
We are
album?
here for the experience.
Yes.
This experience and the journey has been superb with MC Stan. Like you said, I'm really, really looking forward to his more stuff. I like intense artists because intensity mein layers aati hain, and I love that about him. So I really, really look forward to more of his stuff. And I'm really sad about what he went through. So just lot of love and light and healing to
Very
him.
heartbreaking that
And
was. Yeah.
and I'm so glad he's transferred all that energy onto an album and created, work out of it.
A
which is
masterpiece.
superb.
Created a
Superb.
masterpiece out of it. There's no other word for it.
Yes, yes.
You know?
So thank you. Keep making the music. We love you. And superb. Thank you so much for that.
Yeah. And I'm gonna mirror her sentiments and say the exact same thing. And also, love your hair. Don't change it. Keep it.
Love your hair. We didn't talk about his hair, yeah, in this with the whole fuzziness, new life.
New life.
Marvel.
It was like abhi abhi utke, now new life, new day has begun. You know that kind
Not
of
like
feel
full
I got.
makeover, new life. Ab yahi karne ka hai.
Yeah, just let it go. It's all chill. The stress is over. We hope the stress is over, and now it's all good music journeys from here. So yeah, on that note, thank you guys for recommending this album, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.